Hello everyone, welcome back to Lucas AI Academy. If you're interested in smart AI tools that help you save time and increase your income, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now so you won't miss any new tutorials each week. Today I'll guide you through how to add text in CapCut on your computer, from basic to advanced. And if you watch until the end, I'll reveal a special tip to use this skill to increase watch time and enable monetization on YouTube faster. Let's get started. Add a text layer foundation step on the left toolbar. Click Text, Default Text, then drag and drop it into the timeline. Drag the edges of the text layer to adjust the display duration. Use the zoom bar at the bottom to set the timing more precisely. Edit content, font, size, and position. Click the text layer. In the right panel, type the content you want. Open the font section to choose a font. CapCut has many ready-made styles. Adjust the size with the slider. Drag the text directly on the screen to place it at the top, bottom, or center. You can also fine-tune line spacing, character spacing, and alignment left, center, right. Basic formatting, quick styling, toggle bold, italic, underline. Choose any text color or use the available presets to apply a quick style. Pro tip, keep your own brand identity, one headline font, and one highlight color to keep your videos consistent. Stroke, background, glow, and shadow. Enable stroke to create an outline. Choose the color and adjust the thickness. Add background, adjust corner rounding, height, width, and opacity for the background. Add glow light effect or shadow to create depth, which is great for titles or highlighted text in videos. Effects and animation grab attention in the animation panel. In how the text appears, for example, typewriter. Out how the text disappears like fade or flicker. Loop continuous motion like wave. Adjust the duration slider to control the speed. Want more style? Go to the effects section to choose available text effects and customize them as you like. Advanced tools, motion tracking, text-to-speech, and text templates. Motion tracking. Select the text layer, Tracking Motion Track. Drag the selection box onto a moving object face. Product, Start. The text will automatically follow the movement. Text-to-speech, TTS, type the content, choose a voice, and CapCut will automatically generate the narration. Very convenient if you don't want to record your own voice.
Welcome to America.
Text templates. Go to text
Welcome
templates.
to America.
Choose a category, title, subtitle, social. Drag it into the timeline then replace the sample text. This is the fastest way to create professional titles. Keyframe custom motion. Select the text layer. Move the playhead to the start. Set a keyframe. Change position, size, rotation. Then move the playhead to another point and set the next keyframe. The text will automatically move or zoom in, out as you like. Pro tip, small movements. Increase, decrease. 2-5% size or shift a few pixels. Create a cinematic feel without being distracting. Mask and blend cinematic effects. Mask. Use a rectangular linear mask to make the text appear gradually. Combine with keyframe to create a smooth text reveal effect. Blend modes. Choose a blend mode like screen, overlay, multiply, so the text blends into the video background, perfect for B-roll or textured scenes. Monetization tip for this skill, create a ready-to-use lower third template, background plus stroke plus shadow plus typewriter effect, and save it to reuse for other videos. Clear titles that appear at the right time will increase watch time, helping you reach the YouTube Partner Program threshold faster. Some suggestions. Add affiliate links, equipment, software in the description and pinned comment. Create a CapCut title template pack and sell it as a digital product or give it away for free to build your email list. Add on-screen text for key points so viewers who turn on captions can follow along more easily. This quietly increases audience retention. That's all 8 powerful features that, from basic to advanced, all inside CapCut on your computer. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe to Lucas AI Academy, and leave a comment telling me which effect you'll try first. Typewriter, tracking, or mask. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. Getting it done is better than waiting for perfection. See you in the next video. Next.